Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Magnifez Technologies. So in this video, we will look at how we can utilize themes in Dynamics customer engagement. First of all, let's have a look at what is a theme and where we can utilize it. So basically, a theme is a mechanism available in Dynamics customer engagement using which we can implement branding on your application. So earlier we didn't have this option. So with the help of themes, you can set up your logo, your branding colors, etc. across the Dynamics customer engagement application. So like I mentioned before, this feature got implemented in CRM 2013. Before that, we didn't have such an option. And you already know that you cannot change the UI of your customer engagement application everywhere and with using the CSS. So that's why this mechanism is very important. There are two types of themes available to you. One is system themes, the other one is custom themes. And there are a lot of changes you have seen in types of themes. So now you understand there are two types of themes, system themes and custom themes, and where you can access these themes. That's what I'm going to show you next. So you can just go to settings of your application and go to advanced settings, and then you just go to customization and themes. In Dynamics 5, earlier we had only one type of theme, that was the system theme. Then we could clone that. So now we have three themes come by default. I'll explain that. So here I can see a CRM blue theme, then a CRM default theme, and there a CRM orange theme. So this is the one I am talking about. This was the default one available to us. So when I just open this one, you can see that it has a name, and then there's an option to set up the logo over here, logo tooltip. And then the navigation bar color, that is this area, and then navigation bar shelf color, and like title text color, main color, accent color, etc. And you can see the alphanumeric code over here. So this is what you have to change. But one thing you have to notice, this is that CRM default theme, and then this is system one, this is read only. So this you cannot customize. Now how you are going to change this one, or how you are going to brand yourself or your application, right? So that is what you have to look at. You have to clone this application, or you have to create your own themes. So let me just go back to settings, customization and theme. So I can see multiple themes. So in addition to the CRM default theme, the application also comes with two other system themes, such as CRM blue theme and CRM orange theme. So if I open up the CRM blue theme, I can see that here the navigation color is blue, and you can see the alphanumeric color code. Then you can just see the other colors, etc., different for this. Now how will I apply this one? Even this one is also a system theme. I can change it. So I can simply click here in the publish button. So once I publish it, it will take a second and the page got refreshed. Now you can see that the things got changed here, right? Everything got changed here. So this is how you apply the theme. Now you can go back, and if you want to apply the orange one, so let me go back here, and here is the orange theme, and then click publish it. So now you have the orange theme, right? So you understood how this is changing. Now if you want to create another theme, there are two ways to do it. One is either cloning an existing system theme, or create a custom theme completely out of scratch, completely from scratch. So I have the option to create a new theme over here. So let me click new here. So I need to give a name here. So I will see like Dynamics 5 custom theme 1, or I would say like green. That's the name I'm giving here, and I can select a logo over here. So the logo has to be a web resource. So if you haven't uploaded your logo, you have to create a new web resource with your logo. So I can simply select some image over here. It may not be correct, but I am simply selecting one. It may not be correct, I am telling you. Tooltip, Dynamics 5 theme, I say, and then the navigation bar color, I just save this theme. So that got created. Now you get the option. So only for a custom theme you get the option to change the colors, not for the system theme. That is clear to you by now. So this I have to change. So where I'll get this code? This is a 6-digit alphanumeric color code. Where I'll get it? Very simple. You can search for color codes These are universal color codes. You can just go to any of this website. I am just selected htmlcolorcodes.com. So there you can just select the colors. For example, if I'm going to select some green, light green, this is the one. This is the color code. So here we don't have that option, just like you select it from a palette in Adobe Photoshop or like Paint, for example. We don't have that option. We have to put the alphanumeric code over here. So like that you can just mention that. So by changing this code here itself, you can see how the differences are coming up, right? So I don't want to make it boring like this. So once you've done all that, all these changes, you can see there are a lot of things you can just change. You can just save it again, and then you have the option to preview it. Before you publish it, just preview it once. Oh, it's not that good, but you can see there's a logo comes up here. Then you have the rest of the option, and then so this is what I have published. I'm going back. Alright, so if I want to change it to the blue theme or my own theme, this is the one theme I have. So this is the green theme we have created. I can again edit it. Here I have select the theme, click on edit, and then if I want to change any of the colors, for example this one, which is quite boring to me, I'm just going to change that into some other color. So like that you can make the changes. And when you are, this is still in preview, I exit the preview. We'll go back to the themes and then any other theme. So this is what we are trying, right? So if I publish it, it is applied. So this theme will be applied in a second. If you want to change it, you can go back to the list of themes and select any other theme. You learned that by now. I'm going back to my Magnifez theme. So I'll just show you the theme. What this is known as Magnifez theme, the one I have created. The color code and everything you can see here to our theme color. Then I just publish it. So this is what you are seeing in the beginning, right? This is my custom theme. So that's how you manage theme. There's one more option I have to show you, that is how to create a theme from an existing one. What I mean by that is cloning an existing one. So I'll clone this blue one, which I like. I'll just open this one. I have the option to clone it. So click on clone. This is a system theme. I clone it. So I get another theme. The name of that one is copy of CRM blue theme. So I will say like CRM blue theme updated. Now I say logo I can select here. Then rest of the colors if I want to make any changes. You know how the cloning works. Here I can just make slight changes to this color if I want to. Rest of the things you can just change a little bit here and there. No, I don't like this. And finally you just say save it. So just clone an existing CRM theme, then you save it, and then you can preview it before you're going to apply it. If you don't like it, you don't need to apply it. Once you like it, then you say okay, exit the preview, and then you can publish it. So I think we have covered most part of CRM themes. So there is one more option that you have here. Once you have these themes, you have the option to delete it. Or you can just edit it. So that is pretty much about it. So just to summarize, using themes in Dynamics for customer engagement, you can change the logo, the branding, the colors of the UI, everything you can just change in a limited way. So by default you get 3 themes, system themes. You can utilize them, or you can create your own themes from scratch, or you can customize the existing themes. That is what you can do. Or you can even clone the theme into a new one, and then you can just apply it, and you can see the changes. I hope this video is useful to you. Hope you enjoyed, and if you have any questions, you can mention that in the comment box. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.